Excellent. This is the new version of yours. This is what is the real you. This is the real dash. Fill in the blank with your name. How happy is your family because of your change like this? What a fantastic atmosphere you are creating in this entire campus because of the vibe and aura you are bringing with this picture number 3. How happy the colleagues are. Listen to the appreciations that your colleagues are giving. Man, my dear lady, you are completely changed. What is the matter with you? We are seeing so much change. Look at you. You are supercharged. Likewise, the appreciations, the compliments. Give life to those. Feel it because you deserve it. That's what you really are. Feel it. Things were holding you back. People were holding you back. Ideas and opinions of people were holding you back. Okay, you allowed, no problem, but not now, anymore, not anymore. Your 100%, your best potential. You're giving 100% in everything by invigorating yourself as this picture number 3. People can hardly find any mistakes in your performance when you are behaving like this picture number 3. People come to you, approaching you, and they want to learn from you how you are able to do this. And you are like a masterpiece trying to give them the suggestions. Then if I'm able to do that, you can also do that. So, larger than life, you're top of the world. See that. Well, my dear friends, this is how you were supposed to live your life during your college, during your post-graduation, during your beginning of the career, and even now. Why did you lose this knack? No problem. Now the knack is back. Brace yourself. Hold this with you. See this picture number 3. Your soulmate is happy. Your father is happy. Your mom is happy. Your children are happy. The people whom you are working to, the institution is happy, the management is happy, your beneficiaries, your students, the children are happy. Wow, what a feeling it is. Ultimately, because of this feeling, you are very, very, very healthy, hat to boot. Feel that. Who stops you from all this? This picture number 3, my dear friends, is going to be configured into your subconscious mind. And we are jumping into that process now. So, let us fix this picture number 3 in your subconscious. Let us tell your subconscious that this is what I want. The previous one is what I don't want. Now believe that. Feel it. Feel the bliss. Excellent. Let's get into the process. Bring your right hand to the friend for fixing it. Bring your right hand to the friend for the purpose of fixing it. And when I say fix, make sure that you are fixing it to your right brain. You are fixing it to the right brain for 6 times now. 3, 2, 1. Fix. Normal. Fix. Normal. One more time. Believe that when you are fixing, it is becoming the part of your system. Fix. Normal. Feel the happiness of it. Feel the bliss of it. You are fixing it and you are making it completely possible for you, and you are completely making the transformation. Feel the transformation. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Fix. Last 2 times. Very vibrantly. 3, 2, 1. Fix. One last time. Feeling load of energy. 3, 2, 1. Fix. Beautiful. Relax. Put your hand down. This is what is your reality. This picture number 3 will stay with you forever. Consistently practicing this every single day, we are going to make this possible to stay with us forever. And this is a new version of yours. Believe that this version is going to make all the difference that you are thinking. It is completely synchronized along with your goal. And this is you, the new you. This is a new form of possibility. And since I'm speaking to the subconscious mind, I'm also getting this bearing promise from you that you will be really doing this again and again for the next 30 days in order to make this picture 3 get life for itself. Feed this picture number 3. Because it is not only a picture, it is a being. It is the way of life. This is what you are meant to live. This is how you are meant to live. The Creator's neural schema was this. Please understand that. And how can you lose this just like that? With that firm belief, with that staunch understanding, with that firm faith and trust that the picture number 3 is going to resonate in us for a longer time, we are now getting back. Follow my counting. In each counting, get brisk, get active, and get larger than life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back to WMH with the same spirit, with the same energy that you had when you were fixing picture number 3. Come back with the transformation. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Get active, get brisk. Keep your eyes closed. I will ask you to open your eyes, and at that moment of time you can open your eyes. Till then keep your eyes closed. Get brisk, get active. Make sure that you're coming with a charged spirit. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 counts more, and with this 5 counts you are getting supercharged. At least for the next 3.5 or 4.5 hours, you should have this charge, my dear friends. Get brisk. Come on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, we are going to open our eyes after all this charged up behavior, and we are really going to have our own level of positive image transformation. Get both of your palms in front of your face. Keep both your palms in front of your face. With all the energy, with all the transformed energy, you are now slowly opening your front of your face. 3, 2, allow the emotion. It's a feeling of happiness. It's a feeling of bliss. It's a feeling of enthusiasm, whatever it may be. Don't stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Slowly open your eyes and remove your spectacles. Wipe your face for about 3 or 5 times. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your tea and coffee will arrive soon. God appreciate your cooperation. It was one supreme cooperation that I used to get. Like, people will sleep, people will doze off, people will have their own ways and means of getting so much tired. But here I did not see anyone in that state. So you took this exercise very seriously. I really appreciate that. Questions? First question. Yeah, before I throw a question, is there anyone who would like to say something about it? How did you feel or what? Okay, fine. So I will narrow down it through some questions. How many people in this room now feeling fresh? Okay, all right. Thank you. Put your hands down. Almost 40% of the people are feeling fresh. Second question. How many people were able to feel the kind of happiness whenever we were speaking about picture number 3? Picture number 3. I saw so many people smiling handsomely, and I saw so many people smiling and having the tears rolling out. So almost about 60% of the people were able to feel the happiness. That's good. It is normally like that. Because in the first ever time, people will have only about 60, 50 is quite normal. But if you are practicing this on a regular basis, there is going to be a uniform, structured kind of responsive mechanism which is very positive. So, any observations you would like to give? Now, let me give you 3 choices. Yeah.
I don't know, was it normal or not, but when I was pushing the picture to the right, no? I felt
Right to left or left to right? Right to left. You pushed it to right to left.
the last picture that
Last picture, you fixed it on the right.
Yeah, so when I was fixing it on the right, the last one, so I felt a little heaviness on my right side.
That's exactly the purpose. That's exactly the purpose, which means you are very vivid.
It could feel a little vague.
You felt good, and that's because of the pressure. Oh my God, I've been longing for this so long. Likewise, so that's the pressure. It's absolutely normal. Any other observations? Yeah, ma'am? You want to use the mic?
No, what I'm saying is there were physical manifestations of feelings even when the picture broke.
Okay.
So like every emotion we could feel to some degree.
It's like a person who moves away with a strong perfume fragrance. Even after the person moves, the fragrance remains. So likewise, it has been in you for so long years. Right? So if you do this on a regular basis, you'll be completely off it. Right? That's a very good observation. Sir? In 1 month, that particular first weakness that you are doing about will have its own control. And after that, the next month, go for the next weakness. We don't have scarcity for weaknesses, do we? Right? So we have got plenty of things. So in the first month, do it for weakness number 1, and then second one, and then the third one. Please try with the first ever weakness that is really haunting you and that is really putting at the back foot. Time. Can you tell me how long we have been doing this? How long have you been doing this? Sir says 10 minutes. You spend half an hour with this. You spend half an hour. Right from the counting till when I asked you to open your eyes, it was 31 minutes, 22 seconds. That's what I'm telling you. That's the magic of your subconscious. Are you getting deep sleep every night? Right? So we are getting the deep sleep every night, and it goes like this.
You need to say subconsciously
Subconscious knows no time. When you are sleeping deep, how do you know that you slept deep? Because you didn't enjoy this. It was not like a meal that you enjoyed bite by bite. Exactly, right. So that's the same frequency you went now. But the point is, you knew that you were not sleeping. What you are doing right now is unconscious sleeping, but conscious meditating. But sleep is conscious sleeping and unconscious meditation. So here I put you in the mode of unconscious sleeping but conscious meditating. 31 minutes and 33 seconds is the total duration of this therapy. You check with it. The audio is there, the video is there. You check with it. Yeah.
Between this therapy, I was feeling to cry. I don't know why.
Please allow that. That's what I'm saying. I saw a couple of individuals who were really having, I corrected some individuals. Yeah. No problem. Don't stack up the emotion. Today evening we are having another therapy called as repeated stackings of emotion. There you will see people keeping on laughing. Right? And you will see people always clenching even the jaw. I don't want people to stop the emotions at that point of time, because you are blocking the emotions so hard for so long, and that is why sometimes you are becoming so rigid. And I saw one of the individuals started crying, and that person did not want to stop crying. I allowed the person to cry. I went to make the correction on the hand position, but the person went off the emotion, and I did not disturb the person. I came back. Few people were having your hands on the wrong basis. You must have realized. I tried to correct your hands. Some people were doing the fix like this, and some people were doing the fix like inclined hands. I corrected. So when I was correcting, when I came to the close-up, I saw tears rolling out. But I did not wipe out. Let it flow. So please don't stop it. In this course of therapy, don't stop those emotions. No problem. Because when you're working out, ma'am, it is definitely going to sweat. Right? It's likewise. That feeling of lightness, right? That's really good. That's also very important. Heaviness, that comes. Sometimes feeling. In this therapy, I avoided one particular thing. Because when I ask you to go to the hypnotherapy, I normally ask the people to keep the pupil upward. That is even more intense. Repeated stackings. No, if you close your eyes, it's not going to be scary. But some people will get headaches. And the people who are experiencing migraines here and there, they will get the migraine. So that is why, to be on safer side, I did not ask you to do. So look into the responses. Sir said that it is like, it went like, right, one, and the ma'am said it is heaviness. Another ma'am said lightness. Yes, ma'am.
It's really wonderful to feel that we can actually visualize and as you say, think that you're putting the third picture in your
Correct.
brain.
Correct.
And I thought, how is it possible in the beginning when you were speaking?
Right.
But in that process, I could do it actually.
When you are put into the proper frequency level, and I eased down, I toned down your level of thoughts process. Yeah. So, and that's also, you have to work on that. Everything counts. The voice, the way you count the number, and I'm giving you the comfort by speaking. Everything counts. This is recording. Once I reach back today evening, I will edit all this. I will remove this buzz sound and all that. I will add some echo, and I will make sure that it is given to everybody. Okay, right. So you can have it every time you are doing the therapy. Any more questions? Right. So I really appreciate. So this, my dear friends, is called as the 3-picture technique. All right. Yeah.
Whatever you were saying, all of us have different weakness, different thinking and feeling, but whatever you were saying was matching
Connected.
Exactly, yes. It was connected. That was very surprising.
In the voice guidance, we have to have that. Choosing the words should be very, very careful. It has to be like as if you are contacting with every single person.
Totally connected.
Yeah, right. Yes, ma'am.
At times, I was concentrating to your voice so much, I went to sort of sleep, but I wasn't sleeping. Is it okay?
That's quite okay, because you have gone to the deep trance level. We say it as DTS.
I can do meditation. Or I've not picked up the thing, then
If you are not hearing me, only then it is a problem. If you are hearing me,
but I went to such a deep thing.
deep frequency level.
I was not doing the actions of the suddenly I realized that.
You did swapping only for 3 times.
Yeah, so I realized I've gone somewhere and not though I was hearing a voice.
That's normal, ma'am. That's normal. As long as you are hearing my voice, that's absolutely normal. It means you have just gone into the deeper level of frequency levels. I have gone into the alpha level of your brain. Right now, you and me are talking in the beta level. I got into the alpha level of your brain. You can relate, right? This is just the one therapy. This is only a sample. We still have 3 more therapies. At the course of our days, we will see all that. And by the end of today, you will be mastered with lots of weapons to face all your battles. And please instruct this to the students, exclusively the pre-teens and teenage students. Okay? Any other questions? Where is Mr. Tapas? He's gone outside. Was he in the therapy, sir? Oh. Mr. Tapas, I want you to do this at least twice a day. We spoke yesterday, right? We spoke yesterday. Hope you relate. We spoke yesterday. So, yes, ma'am.
Is it normal to have drifted in the sense, like she said, I could hear you, but
Echoed voice,
yes,
like
in a distance.
from a distance.
Yes.
It's quite normal. You got into the deeper level of frequency levels. It's normal. That's what I'm saying. It's in the alpha level. See, people, you got to understand that when they are... Yes, ma'am, please. Okay.
This right side was bright,
Right.
full of light, and someone was holding me.
Okay. It's a neural stress that you had been experiencing for the past 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks, 20 days. I'm saying the crystal clear exact time, no? 21 days you are experiencing some sort of stress. With the virtue of doing this exercise, that stress has been relieved. That's why you got that heaviness. And if you do this every single day, in the 5th day or 6th day, you will feel so light. But being on the first ever time, you feel a little heaviness. That's totally normal. During the anesthetic state, people start speaking truth from the subconscious. They speak too much because the subconscious mind is triggered. And look at how many number of people are having water because this entire section goes dry. 32 minutes of complete dryness, and we had 16 people coughing exactly at the 17th or 18th minute. So, coughing is a fantastic indication that they are with me. Because when they cough, it means their oxygen level is narrowed down towards some sphere. They did not cough when they were listening to me opening the eyes because the oxygen level is just over here. And when they are in the hypnotic level, when I am trying to drift them to the alpha level, the oxygen is slowed down. And cough comes because of the infections on the foot pipe, right? In the bronchite pipe. So, when I am asking them to go to the level, their oxygen is slowed down. They did not get the cough because the oxygen was on a uniform basis and it was giving the air circulation on the infection, so they did not get cough. But in the alpha state level, as ma'am mentioned, I got to the deep level and their oxygen was so slow and it got so dry, and then cough, choke. Now look at the number of people drinking water. Alright, so this is an experience. And this is the way therapy has to be done. You will be fresh whole through the day. I challenge. And today, the level of negative thoughts that you used to get will be stopping to come and haunt you because you are on a different level today. 30 minutes, you have never experienced in this past 2-3 months. So, in the next 2-3 months, you are definitely going to experience this every day. See your transformation. I challenge. Okay. Any more questions before I stop the audio and video? Alright. Right, I'll give you some 2 minutes time for regrouping and then we are having the next activity.